Hi, and welcome to our demonstration on bundles and bundle quotas in Elastra Cloud Server. In our product, we create the notion of a bundle, and bundles can be of one of two types. You either have a host bundle or you have a storage bundle. A host bundle is most analogous to a virtual machine. A host bundle has an architecture, whether it's 32 or 64-bit. It has a CPU speed, it has a number of CPUs, it has a number of cores, it has a memory, it has a number of network cards, and it has local storage. In the Elastra Cloud Server, you use host bundles as a way of defining the requirements for your application infrastructure. You assign and allocate host bundles to components within your design. And then when you go to deploy, the system knows, based on the bundle definition, the type of virtual machine that needs to be provisioned in order for your software to be deployed onto the virtualization platform. The second type of bundle is a storage bundle. And a storage bundle is most analogous to a network storage. You might create a storage bundle of 50 gigs or 100 gigs, depending on your needs. Now, I'm going to go ahead and complete the creation of a 20-user bundle with a 64-bit architecture, one CPU with 8 gig of RAM, and I'm going to leave the local storage and the network cards at the defaults. Now, what you can see in front of you right now is I've already defined multiple bundles, and some of these bundles are familiar to you if you've used Amazon Web Services before, and they correspond to the bundle types and the virtual machines that are available within AWS. What I'll do is I'm going to switch over and create a bundle quota. In the Elastra Cloud Server, a bundle quota gives the administrator the option of specifying the maximum number of bundles that can be created for a particular provider and for a particular cloud. So, for example, if you want to limit the total number of 20 user bundles that can be created for a provider in a cloud, you can do that through the use of bundle quotas. Now, what I'm going to do is attach this bundle quota to the AWS account for this cloud, and then set the maximum capacity of this 20 user bundle. Here I'm now selecting the VMware provider, and then I'm going to set the capacity at 20. This means that only 20 user bundles can be created for the marketing cloud from the VMware provider or that virtualization platform. Now what I'm going to do is take you through the designer and show you how these bundles, which you have now newly created, get used within the product. Switching over to the physical configuration, you can see on this tab that the 20 user bundle that was defined earlier is now available for the user, for the designer, to allocate to their design and provision from the virtualization platform. Switching over to saving the design now. After we save the design, we will go ahead and deploy the design to a cloud and a provider. In fact, we're going to deploy it to the cloud and provider that we created at the start of this demonstration. Here I'm giving the design, or the deployment, a name, and I'm going to select the provider within the marketing cloud. The combination of bundles and bundle quota gives you, as the administrator, the unprecedented ability to control the amount of virtual resources that are provisioned and deployed within your enterprise. Thank you for listening. If you're interested in learning more, please contact sales@elastra.com.